We are number one team, and this is our video about how COVID has affected our life. What is coronavirus? COVID-19? Coronavirus is a contagious viral strain that can be passed from one person to another. This pandemic has affected several fields, for example, economic, social, and public health. Working from the house. COVID has affected day-to-day life. Now, everything is from the house. We can spend a lot of hours in front of a computer.
Now we are going to share with you some preventive measures like wash your hands. Avoid touching your face. Clean everything. Avoid the contact with other people. Self-care. Avoid travel. And if you can, working from home.
Presently, the impacts of COVID-19 in daily life are extensive and have far-reaching consequences. This can be divided into various categories. Healthcare. Challenges in the diagnosis, quarantine and treatment of suspected or confirmed cases. Burden of the functioning of the existential medical system. Patients with other diseases and health problems are getting neglected. Economic. Slowing of the manufacturing of essential goods. Disrupt of the supply chain of products. Losses in the national and international business.
Being on this situation has affected my entire family. I can see my grandparents or my friends, and sometimes I feel sad because I miss them. I really miss them. And that can affect me in many ways. Like now I'm more anxious, and stress is something normal for me. And I'm trying to fight against those issues, but it's not that easy. Also, I think scientists and doctors already found a vaccine for COVID-19. This vaccine is going to be prepared for the next year, and the people responsible for this are from Pfizer. Marcelo Ebrard is trying to get this cure for Mexico, and that would be great because we need to work like we used to. And for us, the students, we want to see each other again, and I think we will appreciate more our lives and the effort that our parents are doing for us.
Now I'm gonna talk about a personal experience from one of the team members, and that's me. Hi, my name is Humberto Marroquin, and I will tell you my experience about the epidemic of COVID-19. One of the things that has changed the most is my social life. I can see my friends the weekends like I used to do before COVID, or hang out with my girlfriend at the spots we used to go to, such as the movies, mall, parks, and other places where we used to go very often. Another thing that has changed my life is daily routines because of the new method of taking classes, and also want to include something that really dramatically affect me is that I no longer go to the gym. And finally, taking on another thing is that I'm grateful that my family is okay and healthy. I really don't care if I have to wait to ever to go back to normal life. The only thing that I care about is my family is okay.
Hello, teacher. I want to tell you how my experience has been and how it changed my life with the contingency that we live in. First of all, the fact of staying in our homes. It has been hard to resist without going out with my friends and with my family throughout this time. Another thing that I miss a lot is the face-to-face classes. It is easier for me to learn, even though I live far away and I lose a lot of time getting there, but it is definitely worth it. And that will be all from the team one. Thank you for your time, teacher.